Today we are going to learn about air. Okay? Where do we find air? Can you say where we can find the air? Yeah. How can we prove it? Air is there everywhere. To prove this, we need to do an activity. For that, take a glass. Have you seen this glass? It is looking empty. Right. Is really it is empty or not? To conclude that, we'll do one activity. Take some tissue papers. Okay? Keep inside the glass. Keep inside the glass. Anything else is there in the glass except tissues? No. Take this glass and dip into the water in reverse and press it. Okay? Now slowly remove the glass. Can anyone say, is there water inside it?
No.
Is there water?
No.
And what you feel, either the tissue paper is wet or not?
Wet.
It got wet? Let us check. See. Is it wet? No. And repeat the experiment again. Okay? Now, same, dip the glass, slightly tilt the glass. What you can observe? Are you observing bubbles?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? Now see. Now what is your opinion? Either the tissue is wet or not?
Wet.
See. Right? Okay. In first case, when we kept tissue paper in that, it is not wet, it is dried. At that time, inside the glass, the air is filled. When we kept the glass into the water, the air did not come out. That is why the tissue paper is dry. Means water cannot be enter into the glass because already it is filled with air. And in the second case, what we did, slightly we tilt the glass. When we were tilting, the air is coming out. How can we say that? When we are tilting the glass, the bubbles came out. The bubbles is nothing but air. When the water is allowing into the glass, the air is passing out. That we can say in which type of the air is coming out, like bubbles. Okay, now when air is came out, then it is a chance to enter the water into the glass. In this way, we can conclude that air is everywhere. Actually, we were thinking it's empty glass, but it is filled with air. Means surrounding of us everywhere. We'll do one more activity. See, what is this?
Empty bottle.
It is empty bottle. Yes. And take this empty bottle and dip into the water. What we are feeling? It's pressure. Yes, na? When we are dipping empty bottle into the water, the pressure, we can feel the pressure and we can see clearly the bubbles. Okay, now when in empty bottle we are filling water, already it is filled with air. When we are filling water into the bottle, the air is coming out. Until the bottle should be clear out without the air, then only we can fill anything into the bottle. By this we can conclude the air is everywhere. Actually, which we are thinking it is empty bottle, but already it is filled with air. By this we can conclude that air is everywhere.